Okay, so got these turned on. This turned on. Okay. I turn off the hot side. That stops. So on, off, on, off. But if I only do the hot side, nothing flows. So I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on here.